How's it going, everyone? Mike here. I started recording this video, started preparing for this video to do a trend tracker. So basically to go and look at the last month's sales across the US marketplace and just basically look at the Merch by Amazon shirts and to show you guys, for example, what's trending. And then if we look at the period, for example, of 1 month, and we have different options here, 2 months, 3 months. This is through the Merch Informer tool, I guess, Merch Informer platform. This is one of their tools. So basically, what I wanted to do is go through some of these designs and analyze some of them. But as I was going through, something happened where I figured, you know what, let's actually do this video. Let's talk about what not to do. And this is especially really, really good for people that are just starting out and people that are kind of confused about, should you be checking your trademarks? Should you be I guess not playing it safe with, for example, Olympic theme merchandise, World Cup, anything related to that? And the answer is no. Don't do it. At least that's my advice to you. I understand that this is kind of like unwanted advice, but if you're thinking long term, if you're somebody like me who believes that Merch by Amazon is going to be here 10 years from now, and if you get an increase in sales, by 100 and 200, even 50 a month or a year. In 10 years, you're going to be making some really good money. So let's look at what not to do. Because if you think that your account is safe by you kind of pushing it, if you think that this is just another platform like, I don't even know, I guess Redbubble would be huge, but something smaller, you're wrong. This is a power animal. These guys are, I've said this before, they're going to be taking over the world. So don't do anything to mess up your Merch by Amazon account. And here's what I'm talking about. So for example, some of the first best-selling shirts were and I guess this is the North America, Central America, Caribbean Football League. And right now what's happening is there are games going on and people are, as you can see here, getting huge sales, right? Now, with this kind of a listing, I actually... The reason I'm saying this is these listings don't look to be official. And here's why I say that. Because if you go to, for example, any official company or organization, Amazon store, even such as Star Wars, let's say, it is very nicely done. It is branded. You can tell the quality difference between, somebody doing this, from their basement and then a huge multi-billion-dollar company. So right now, as you can see here, this is the listing, and there are so many of these actually just kind of flooding the first page because they're getting so many sales. But this is what I'm talking about. The overwhelming number of keywords, the things that, for example, a big, huge organization like the Olympic, I don't know what their name is, but the Olympic Committee, the Olympic organization for the Olympic Games would not do something like this, right? It's same thing with the World Cup, with the Euro Cup, any kind of a organized event. So when you see things like that and sales spiking within days, you know that something is up. And this, I'm just kind of setting up to my next point, and here's why. As I'm going through this, we see all the same. For example, like if we did this, 3 weeks ago, we would see this T-shirt, right? We would see thing 1, thing 2. This is Dr. Seuss, and this is all nicely branded MTV. But then we get into something like this. Bella, where the hell are you? This is from the and the name escapes me, from the movies with the werewolves and vampires. Damn, I used to know the name. Anyways, and as you can see here, for example, if you click on any of these, this is what happens. This page could not be found. There's another one. There's another one. There's another one. Here's one more. Here's one more. So what Amazon is doing, anything, even including this one, anything that's breaking the rules, that's going against the trademark, is being taken down. Now the question is this worth it to you? So for example, you would be getting, look at the BS or bestseller rank, 33,000. That means that you're getting 72 sales. That means that you're getting a lot of sales, a lot of money in a very short period of time. For example, this one is getting 42 sales. Let's keep going because I want to show you guys there's so many. These are all branded. I'm on second page. On the first page, so all of these, for example, look at the sales. 540, 243. This one got 270 taken down, right? Not here anymore. Same thing with this one here. 900 sales, not there anymore, right? There were a few more. This one taken down. 131 sales, 360 sales. So the question is it worth it? Now, if you do the math, for example, if you're pricing these at $19.95, you're getting about, let's say, let's go with a conservative estimate, about $3 to $4 a sale, and you're getting 900 sales a month. That means that you've made about $3,000 to $5,000 in 1 month on one T-shirt. And let's say you had a number. How many did I count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At least 6. So let's say you're not making $5,000 off of each T-shirt, but let's say in total you made maybe $10,000 a month breaking the rules. And the question is, will Amazon actually pay you out? Maybe, maybe not. But that was my big setup. That was my big question. Is it worth it? Can you actually say, I'm going to risk my Merch by Amazon account and make $10,000 in 1 month with a huge chance of actually getting suspended or completely shut down because you wanted to make that kind of money? Now, it's very clear that a lot of people are doing that, because even a month ago, I was doing another video with the same tool, and all the World Cup qualifying games, people were basically just ripping off Puma. They were basically just copying. Where was that Italian jersey? Basically copying all the sports teams' official jerseys, their designs, their font style, the positioning of the flag, basically just like a mirror image of what you would get at the official store. And they were getting so many sales, and I went through the first, second page. There were probably 20 of them taken down. So this video was supposed to be, here's what's trending, and this video is about what's trending. But these are the Merch by Amazon shirts done like people for example, like you and me, who are breaking all the rules. So again, I'm going back to that advice. Do not do it if you are thinking about Merch by Amazon, in long-term periods. If you're thinking you're gonna be done with this in a couple of weeks, if you think that this is kind of like a make money quickly little project, and you don't care about having a Merch by Amazon account, and you're convinced that you're gonna get paid, then you know what? Whatever, you can break the rules and everything. But I'm just saying this to everybody who's, for example, like me, listing products every single day, and coming up with designs and making sure that I'm not breaking any trademark rules or anything like that. And I think that's the point here. So I love these tools. I think this tells you, for example, just what people are doing and how creative they are. These are wonderful designs, but again, if Amazon is taking all these products down and they're not existent anymore, then you ask yourself, why are they doing that? And I think we all know the answer. So anyways, I'm going to wrap it up here. Basically, the whole lesson, the whole message here from this video is don't do it. Honestly, don't play around. For some of you guys watching this who are familiar with people getting suspended, losing their accounts, leave a comment and tell the new people about how often it happens. It happens. Don't play around. And that's it. I'm going to wrap it up here. But hopefully, this is pretty good information for you guys where you kind of know and see what other people are doing. It's just, it's a messy game sometimes. Anyways, I'll see you guys soon.